The immeasurable effects of earth-friendly home decor go beyond aesthetic appeal, reaching deeply into the realms of sustainability, income generation, and personal well-being. Among the multitude of items that serve this dual purpose, wooden key holders emerge as humble yet profound artifacts. These seemingly modest pieces of decor not only organize our lives but also tell a larger story, one about preserving the planet, supporting local artisans, and fostering entrepreneurship. Their value is not limited to utility or ornamentation. Instead, they encapsulate an ethos of conscious living and financial empowerment. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of earth-friendly home decor by Wooden Key Holder Design for income generation and home decor. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. Wooden key holders crafted from reclaimed or sustainably sourced wood are quintessential examples of environmentally responsible design. In an era where climate change and ecological degradation dominate global concerns, the significance of choosing earth-friendly materials cannot be overstated. Every wooden key holder made from recycled wood represents a reduction in deforestation, lower carbon emissions, and a conscious shift away from mass-produced plastic alternatives that clog landfills and oceans. Moreover, these wooden artifacts often carry a rustic, timeless appeal that cannot be replicated by synthetic materials. They age gracefully, acquiring character over time and blending seamlessly into various home aesthetics, from minimalistic modern spaces to traditional interiors. Beyond the environmental aspect lies a profound economic opportunity. The production and sale of wooden key holders can be a viable source of income, particularly in rural and semi-urban areas where woodworking skills are abundant, but economic opportunities are limited. Small-scale artisans and craftsmen, often sidelined by the rise of factory-made imports, find renewed relevance and market demand through eco-conscious consumer trends. When individuals opt to purchase handcrafted wooden key holders instead of mass-produced goods, they are not just decorating their homes. They are directly contributing to local economies, supporting livelihoods, and preserving traditional skills. The entrepreneurial potential of wooden key holders becomes even more compelling in the context of small home businesses. With minimal startup capital, individuals can begin producing these decorative yet functional items using locally available resources. The process of designing and selling wooden key holders can be scaled to suit varying ambitions, from hobbyists crafting a few pieces a month to full-time entrepreneurs distributing to online marketplaces and boutique stores. Moreover, social media platforms have made it easier than ever for small creators to reach a global audience, allowing even those in remote regions to tap into markets they could never access before. Home decor is a deeply personal expression of one's identity, and the appeal of earth-friendly pieces is intimately tied to the values of the homeowner. A wooden key holder is not just a place to hang keys. It becomes a symbol of mindfulness, a subtle statement about the inhabitants' commitment to sustainability and conscious consumerism. It can reflect a connection to nature through organic textures and natural finishes, creating a calming ambience that resonates with the growing movement toward wellness and mental health in interior design. In this sense, the product transcends its physical function and becomes part of a larger narrative about the kind of world one wishes to inhabit. Additionally, wooden key holders are versatile canvases for artistic expression. Artisans can infuse cultural motifs, personal stories, and regional heritage into their designs. A key holder adorned with traditional patterns or hand-painted elements tells a story that plastic or metal alternatives simply cannot. Such personalization not only increases the item's market value but also fosters a deeper emotional connection between the buyer and the product. This emotional resonance often translates into customer loyalty, word-of-mouth marketing, and repeat purchases, critical elements for sustained income generation. From a broader perspective, encouraging the adoption of sustainable home decor like wooden key holders contributes to a cultural shift. As consumers become more aware of their purchasing power and its impact, demand for ethical and eco-friendly products increases. This, in turn, pressures larger manufacturers to adopt greener practices, resulting in a ripple effect throughout industries. Thus, The simple act of choosing a wooden key holder over a plastic one can be part of a larger movement towards systemic change in production and consumption patterns. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Furthermore, the educational potential embedded in earth-friendly home decor should not be underestimated. A beautifully crafted wooden key holder displayed in a home serves as a conversation starter, offering an opportunity to share the importance of sustainability with guests, children, and the broader community. In homes where environmental values are integrated into decor, those values become normalized, gradually influencing the behaviors and choices of others. This subtle form of advocacy can be especially impactful in regions where environmental awareness is still growing. The process of creating wooden key holders also offers intangible benefits to the artisans themselves. Engaging in creative, hands-on work provides emotional satisfaction, a sense of accomplishment, and a connection to one's heritage. For many craftspeople, woodworking is more than a job. It is a means of preserving ancestral knowledge, fostering self-worth, and cultivating mindfulness. In this way, the act of making earth-friendly home decor becomes a form of resistance against the alienation often caused by industrial labor and digital overload. For homemakers, the inclusion of a wooden key holder can be a gateway to more extensive sustainable living practices. It sets a tone, a small but impactful step toward making environmentally responsible choices in other aspects of life, from furniture and lighting to kitchenware and clothing. The ripple effects of one decision, grounded in both functionality and principle, can cascade into a lifestyle overhaul, further reinforcing the values of minimalism, intentionality, and environmental stewardship. When seen through the lens of community development, the potential of earth-friendly home decor items like wooden key holders expands even more. Cooperative models can be established, where groups of artisans collaborate on design, production, and marketing, thus fostering teamwork, skill sharing, and collective prosperity. Such models are particularly beneficial for women, differently abled individuals, and marginalized communities for whom traditional employment may be inaccessible. Wooden key holders, in this context, become vehicles for social equity and empowerment. Ultimately, the impact of wooden key holders as instruments of both home decor and income generation cannot be measured solely in financial terms or aesthetic value. They represent a convergence of values: sustainability, craftsmanship, empowerment, and beauty. Their influence permeates multiple layers of life, from the personal to the communal, from the economic to the ecological. In a world increasingly defined by fast consumption and ecological peril, the choice to embrace and promote such items is not just practical, it is deeply philosophical. The immeasurable effects of these earth-friendly creations echo across time and space. They remind us that our homes can be sanctuaries not just of comfort and style, but also of conscience and care. That even the smallest choices, like where we hang our keys, can reflect a profound commitment to the world we live in and the one we hope to leave behind. Through wooden key holders and similar endeavors, we are not just decorating homes, we are shaping futures. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked earth-friendly home decor by wooden key holder design for income generation and home decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until